Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Atlas. My name is Darcy. If you're new to the channel, I really hope that you're doing well. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to automate record types. As always, I will be in one of my playgrounds. I have opened the setup and you can see here I'm in the accounts object, and I noticed that I already have two record types in this object, and I will go and automate these record types. Let's say each time I'm creating an account, I would like to specify which record type this flow is going to use, and to do that, I'm going to open flows. I'm going to create a new flow. I'm just going to click the button and select, let's say, record triggered flow, and I'm going to create it, and I'm using our object is going to be accounts. In this case, I want to assign this new record type when a record is created, and I can also select any conditions. Let's say in this case, my condition would be type. If the type is changed, then assign a specific record type. Now we have account type, and if I open my BlueJam account, I can see that we have type. Under type, we have prospect, customer, installation partner, technology partner. So these can be either prospect account, prospect record type, customer record type for customer direct and customer channel. And we can also have partner record types. And I'm not going to be covering partner record types as I haven't got any in Salesforce. I'll be using the ones that I already have. And I will just go back to my flow. It's going to be here. And so we have type. And when type is changing, or let's say, yes, a record is created or updated, and then you have this option is changed. Let's say type is changed. Type is changed equals true. And I can't pre-select only when the record is updated because I'm using the operator is changed. By default, you have to go with the first option every time record is updated and meets the condition requirements. And then select done. And now I can change this to free form. And side, so we have record triggered flow. For this, I will go into manager, and actually I will go back here. I will create an assignment, and the assignment would be add record type. Let's say it is add record type, and we want to update our account record type ID, and that would be equals new resource, and I want to create a formula, and if the formula is true, then we want to update this account's record type. Say new record type, and the data type will be text, and formula we can use here if formula. I will just make it like this. Now, let's say if I want to use this type field, and based on the type values, I want to assign the right record type, whether account is created or updated. Maybe it was created as a prospect, and I want to automatically change it to a customer record type. Then I'll be using these type fields. Going back to my flow. Now, if again this record type or account type, and this is these are pickless values, so I'll have to use this text in the beginning. If text record type equals prospect, So if it is prospect, then this value. And now I'm going back to the object manager, and in object manager, opening accounts, opening record types, and I want to find prospect. And for this prospect record type, we have prospect record type ID. And I'm going to take this ID and copy. Now I'm going back, and the formula would be, so if record type is prospect, I want to change the record type to this ID, or else I'm going to just copy paste this. All right, now if, let's say, the next one, what do we have here? We have customer direct. All right, customer. If this is a customer direct, I want to change this. I want to change the record type to customer record type. And that would be ID right here. And again, and another one, the last one, I'm going to copy paste it. And again, change then this customer type will be customer channel, and customer, just delete this direct and change it to channel. And I'm going to keep the same record type as it is part of our customer record type. And then if it is neither of them, then I would like to just leave it as it is, and that would be our current record type, record type ID, and then bracket as well. So we have here 3 times, and that should close with 3. Let's see, we will have some errors, and if I do have any errors, then Salesforce will let me know. And so that would be record type ID, and we have selected record type IDs in our assignment. Just click done. Now we have to link these. And all right, I have created an assignment, and the next one would be update records. And I want to update current record. I want to update record ID for my current record. So that would be use the account record that triggered the flow. Yes, that would be the one. And the fields that I want to update are going to be record type ID, and the values are current record type and record type ID. And it is record type ID because I have made an assignment here that already updates our current variable, and in our current variable we have record type ID, the current one, with this formula. So we are either creating or updating an account, it goes through the assignment, and instantly it updates record type ID with our variable. And click done, and let's see if this will work. And I'm going to select save, and all right, so it is saying, it says that I have one missing parenthesis, I will open my manager and the new record type. All right, I forgot to put the parentheses here after text. Now this is done, and we can activate it. Let's activate it. And one more thing, let's go to page layouts, and I need to quickly check what page layout do I have, or maybe I can find the record type. It's in here, and no, I can't see record types. Can't see record types, but I can check what page layout am I currently using, and let's see, edit page. And what am I using? I'm gonna click here, and then we will see on the side, I'm currently using account layout. All right, going back, and now back to setup as well. Now it is account layout. It is this one. I'm going to open it, and I just want to add a field that is telling me which record type am I using. Account record type, and let's move it somewhere at the top right here, just to easily find it as I'm testing it. Going back. Now hopefully it has already loaded, or maybe it will take a little bit of time. And let's see. It hasn't loaded yet. We might need to wait. But at the same time, I can also create a new account very quickly, and I'm going to start with prospect account. If I click next and just type in test, let's say test 1, any other mandatory fields. Maybe I can go and just click save. All right, I can also see account record type. It is prospect account record type. And now if I go and change the type to, let's say, to customer channel. Yeah, customer channel, and click save. Now we can see that account record type has changed to customer one, and that's really good. I can see that it works. Now we'll go quickly back to our Blue Jam account as well. All right, this account hasn't got the field yet. All right, it does. Account record type, and I can change the type to customer direct. And if I click save, now Blue Jam, I can see that the account record type has changed. And it means that this flow has worked successfully. And you can add extra things, and you can, as well with this flow, you can update fields if you needed to. And you can see it works very well. Well, I hope that this video made sense and it was easy to understand how I automated account record types. This method can be applied to any other object. You can simply use the record type ID, apply it to your automation tool, also give it some conditions when exactly you want your automation tool to update your records with the new record types, and then this should work for you. Well, thanks a lot for watching it, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.